Hey realtors, want to sell homes faster and impress buyers? Picture this, a pristine, inviting space that makes potential owners feel right at home. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning. As a proud veteran-owned service in San Antonio, we specialize in making homes sparkle before open houses or showings. Our reliable team knows what it takes to enhance a property's appeal and close those deals quicker than ever. Imagine walking into a home that's been professionally cleaned, where every corner shines and the atmosphere is welcoming. That's the TidyTex touch. We offer flexible, quick turnarounds tailored to your needs. Now, here's a quick tidy tip. For little to no cost, open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. It brightens the space and highlights the best features, making it more inviting for buyers. Want your listings to stand out? Let us handle the dirty work while you focus on closing deals. Contact us today for a cleaning service that meets your high standards. Check the video description for more details about TidyTex, our services, and how we can partner together for success.